Children, let us study non-contact force. A force that acts between two objects, even if the two objects are not in contact, is called a non-contact force. Forces like magnetic force, gravitational force, electrostatic force act without a contact. Therefore, these are the examples of non-contact forces. Here is a simple static electric experiment with hair comb to explain the concept of non-contact force. Children, you can do this activity at home. Keep very small pieces of paper on the table. Rub a plastic comb against dry hair and bring it near the bits of paper. You will find that the bits of paper are attracted by the comb. Why did this happen? The comb on rubbing acquires electrostatic charge. It induces opposite charges on the bits of paper, and hence the bits of paper are attracted by the comb. This is an example of non-contact force. Watch the activities which involve non-contact force.
Ball is thrown in upward direction, it will naturally come down due to Earth's gravitational force. Earth attracts everything towards itself due to gravitational force of attraction. Though there is no contact between this ball and Earth, still gravitational force exists, and this is the example of non-contact force. Thank you. Children, let me show you example of non-contact force. For this I have taken a magnet and these are the iron filings. Now there is no contact between iron filings and magnet, and if I bring this magnet close to the iron filing, see what will happen. Are you able to see? The iron filings are getting attracted towards the magnet without contact. Here there is no direct contact between iron filing and magnet, still the particles are getting attracted towards magnet. Are you able to see? Iron filings are magnetic in nature. Magnet attracts magnetic substances towards them. So this is example of non-contact force. Thank you. Hello children, today we are going to see an activity which explains that magnetic force is a non-contact force. For this, I have taken two plastic bottles on which disc-shaped magnets are attached with the help of sellotape, and a plastic tub is taken into which water is poured. So these two plastic bottles having two disc-shaped magnets can be seen clearly. Now I am putting them in this water. Let us see how the bottles, whether they come close to each other or not. They are slightly coming closer to each other, and see. This is due to the magnetic force of attraction. Even though they are apart from each other, after a few seconds they get attracted towards each other. And you all know north and south pole attract each other, and north or south repel each other. Like poles repel each other and unlike poles attract each other. So magnetic force is an example of non-contact force. Thank you.
Let us solve the question. In the following example, state whether the force is a contact force or non-contact force. Number 1. A reluctant dog is being pulled by his master. A boy playing football is kicking the ball away. A coconut is falling from the coconut tree. When brakes are applied to a moving bicycle, it stops after some time. When a comb is rubbed against hair, small pieces of paper kept on a table get attracted to the comb. When iron nails are brought near a magnet, they are attracted to the poles of the magnet and stick to the magnet. So you have to identify which force is involved in all these examples. Answers are given here. A reluctant dog is being pulled by his master. Example of contact force. A boy playing football is kicking the ball away. Example of contact force. A coconut is falling from the coconut tree. It is example of non-contact force. Number 4. When brakes are applied to a moving bicycle, it stops after some time. Example of contact force. Number 5. When a comb is rubbed against hair, small pieces of paper kept on a table get attracted to the comb. Example of non-contact force. When iron nails are brought near a magnet, they are attracted to the poles of the magnet and stick to the magnet. Example of non-contact force. Children, let me give you few more examples of contact and non-contact forces. To cut an apple with a knife, muscular force and frictional forces are involved here. So this is an example of contact force. To lift a ball lying on the ground, muscular force and frictional force both are involved. Example of contact force. Some examples in which non-contact forces are applied. The motion of the earth around the sun, gravitational force. The motion of an electron around the nucleus of an atom. These two examples, they come under the category non-contact force. Children, we will study about frictional force in next video. Thank you.